Even the prisoners in there are saying this person has no damn business in prison. You know, it's just the craziest thing. But that's the way, again, how we treat mental health here in the U.S. And it is a business. It is a big business because you better believe that insurance companies don't like to really cover mental health. Isn't that interesting? They don't cover it. Mental health is expensive. You know, therapy is expensive. You know, psychotherapy, all that good stuff. Mental health is something that I have a love of. I've always had a love of mental health, but I don't like the way that mental health, for the most part, is painted as this thing that you shouldn't be afraid of, and don't have a stigma behind mental health. But at the same time, they create the stigma behind mental health because they make it so expensive, number one, and they make mental health. They always align mental health with crime, you know, with crime for some reason, rather than aligning it with a medical condition that just needs to be treated. But unfortunately, that's what happens when it's not treated. It turns into a crime. Y'all see where I'm going? See where I'm going with that? So mental health is a serious thing. It's not something to take lightly. Like I said, the gentleman yesterday, they said he definitely has some previous mental health issues. But that does not mean that was the case yesterday. He could have ingested some drugs, or who knows? Psychotic break, who knows what happened to that dude. But one thing is for sure, there are 3 people not alive today that should be. There should be. You know, one of these folks was a grandfather and his 4-year-old granddaughter who died on the scene by their vehicle. And it's just a shame. It's a shame. And the police chief, like she said, the system failed him by, I guess she did her little research and saw where some flags should have been raised, or he should have had a high level of care. Well, my thing is this. Why is it we always wait till something happens till we start saying all this stuff? We know these people are walking around out here. You know they're walking around out here. You know they're walking around out here because you have direct interactions with them. The police departments, you know what I'm saying? The ambulance drivers who have to go around and deal with people who have OD'd or on drugs, things like that in the streets, who are used to these homeless encampments and different things like that. They know these people that are there. They know they're there. But they choose to take the knee-jerk reaction approach. Let's just wait till something horrific happens, or wait till they do something that's worthy of our attention before we take action. And after yesterday, now they decide to take action. So the gentleman was arrested. It wasn't too hard to find him because he had erratic behavior from North Austin all the way to South Austin. Just straight erratic behavior, jacking people, carjacking, assaults, flipping cars, just all types of stuff. And then again, they found him in the middle of the road in South Austin, butt naked with the Bible saying he's Jesus. Please, 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 y'all, think differently about mental health. Please understand it is a crisis. Please understand that we are in the middle of this crisis. Y'all take care. Eric Brown, MOBO-Media.